Let Seaside open the door to a carefree way of life by the shore. No lawns to mow, leaves to rake, or snow to shovel. Come inside and look around. We have 5 different models to choose from, all with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The Brewster model has a spacious open floor plan, ideal for entertaining, a contemporary kitchen, an extra bedroom for guests, a cozy den, and deck. The Chatham offers easy 1-floor living, 2 roomy bedrooms and an extra bathroom. A den and deck give you added living space. The Annapolis offers a large living area, 2 bedrooms waiting for your personal touches, and a contemporary kitchen with sleek granite countertops. Enjoy 1-floor living in our Dennisport unit. An extra bedroom and bathroom make it guest-friendly. The well-laid-out kitchen is inviting if you love to cook. There's one important thing our tour can't show you: the friendly, welcoming feeling of our community. The new friends you'll make, neighbors you'll meet, community events you'll enjoy. It's why we say Seaside Village is more than a place to live. It's a way of life.